Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Toluwap. Today we are going to be looking at the top sites that you can learn programming as a beginner. The first site is Sololane. Sololane is a beautiful website. I love it so much. I usually recommend this for my students and for beginners also. If you're a beginner in web development, you can just easily come here and click on the HTML and start learning. You see series of courses that you can take. It's a very beautiful website. I love it so much. I love the interface. It's easy to work with, and then at the end of I think every courses you can get your certification that okay, this so person have learned this. You can pick up anything front end, back end, responsive web design. Yeah, I strongly recommend Sololane. The second website I usually recommend also if free code camp. Yep. It's another beautiful website. Not that stylish, but it's a place where you can learn. To be sincere, I love this place so much, and a lot of people can agree with me. Responsive web design. You can come here and start your journey in web development. If you are a front end person, if you love to start easily, you can just click on say hello world. You start learning you start learning the tags and the likes and everything that you can learn as a front end developer. There are also some also you can go back end development, data analyst, information security, machine learning, a lot of things, JavaScript. I mean, there are a lot here that you can learn from, and they are easy to pick up, no string attached, easy to pick up as a newbie in programming. The uh, third website is Khan Academy. Khan Academy is another beautiful site. It's free. You can come here and learn. When you sign in, you log in, you select what you want to learn. It's a beautiful place for you to also learn anything. Anything. They have a very strong community where if you don't understand what you are being taught, you can easily ask a question, or you see someone that have asked similar questions before, then you just pick up the answer from the forum. It's a very, very beautiful community. Khan Academy anytime, any day for anyone that wants to start learning programming. My third one is W3 School. Back in the old days, this is where we used to go to. This is where we used to go to. W3 School has been a very strong community for a very long time, and you can learn anything here. When I say anything, from in fact even the top guys in the industry still come here every day to pick up to copy codes, so you can come here anytime any day for learning. You can come here, but one thing about free W3 school is mostly very useful when you have problems, when you have issues and you want to quickly want to get your something solved, or you need a reference, you can quickly come here for it. So I would recommend, if you are going for W3 school, you can also use it along with free code camp, or you can use it along with any of these websites. W3 school will just always be there, so you can always come here for reference, attributes, editor, different kind of things. You can come here. It's very, very good for referencing. The fifth one is okay, Mimoland. So Mimo, get Mimo. It's another beautiful website for beginners that you can just come to. It has a very beautiful app. I love it. You can come here and start learning, and it has this progress something. I've done this today. I've done that. Yeah, I did that yesterday. So you can just come here and start learning. Also, Mimo Learn. You can learn anything here. Also, I mean, as a beginner, you can learn anything here. There are a lot of resources online, but for now, these are things that you can get started with without getting overwhelmed with a lot of resources online. I would strongly recommend these five websites, any of these five websites. Be you go for Sololane, Learn code from Free Code Camp or Khan Academy, whichever one you are using, W3 School will always be your go-to anytime, any day. Even though you are going for any of the other websites, W3 School will always be a place where you can reference when you have issue. Even though you have an issue and say, okay, how do I how to center a div, how to do that, W3 School will always pop up because it's a very good, strong resource for developers. Another site I would love, if you're a person that loves to read, I would recommend this site for you. Go Kicker. So Go Kicker is also a very beautiful place for programmers to come to. You can come, these books are open source and free to use. You can select any of them and start using. So if you are a beginner in front-end development, you can just come here, HTML5, pick it up. If you want to learn HTML, Canvas, pick it up. Java, JavaScript. These are, although they say not for professionals, but I strongly recommend to for beginners coming up, because these are tools. These are the things you will have in your tool belt anytime, any day, for you to do anything. So that will be all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next video. Yeah, peace out.